Well, skyrocketing homeowners insurance is pricing many people out of even owning a home in Florida. Take a look at these numbers. The national yearly average for a policy is around $2,300. In Florida, it's up over $3,600. In Tallahassee, right around $2,200. State lawmakers are trying to cut down on the rising cost of home insurance, passing a law saying companies can't refuse to write or renew policies on homes with roofs less than 15 years old, only based on the age of the roof. But now insurance companies are adding new stipulations. Some are requiring roofs have secondary water resistance layers. Other companies not accepting older homes in general.
And as concerns over Florida's crumbling property insurance market grow, Democrats are trying to capitalize, calling out the governor for mismanagement in his 4 years. Will it have a major impact on the midterms? Political experts tell Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders it's not likely at the moment.
Days after Florida found out more than a dozen of its property insurance providers were in jeopardy of a rating downgrade, Democrats eyeing the state's top spot have started upping the rhetoric, hitting the governor and offering their plans to mend the market.
Our state is on the brink of a property insurance catastrophe.
Even fellow Republicans have warned a crisis is at hand if more major reforms aren't made.
End the litigation. Really, right now, what's just killing the insurance industry in Florida is the overwhelming amount of litigation.
Could this build into a fever pitch of political potential ahead of the election?
Insurance is terribly confusing to people.
Dr. Susan McManus thinks politicians will be hard-pressed to move the needle much with voters. Insurance is a complicated topic, not usually among a person's election priorities. In fact, an early July USF FIU poll of 600 Floridians found that 74% rated pocketbook issues like jobs, inflation, and the economy as having the most impact on their vote.
Those companies, by and large, are in better shape than they were 6 months ago.
Governor DeSantis has also addressed the insurance issue, saying newly enacted reforms are already helping. The state-backed Citizens Property Insurance set to be a backstop for any downgraded and insolvent providers. Plus, he and the new House Speaker are working ahead.
Paul and I are going to do even more in the next legislative session.
But McManus thinks there is a chance property insurance could play a huge role in November. A major storm might topple the already wobbly market and frustrate a lot of prospective voters.
The focal point will be for a lot of homeowners who obviously are higher turnout voters than non-homeowners. It will make it a very relevant issue.
Florida has been hurricane-free this year, but the season's peak months are about to begin. The election, November 8th.
At the Capitol, Forrest Saunders, ABC 27.